Ladies and gentlemen, happy Monday. Here is lovely, almost 3-point trade at the market open this Monday. We're monitoring the response at reversal zone, trailing extremely carefully. Adjust your trail to 1960. Let's see what price will do. All the levels in front of you are Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. We're witnessing that price is struggling immensely at reversal zone, as expected. We are witnessing the importance of knowledge and execution. How did I know that sellers will step in? Simple. Fibonacci levels and Alpha Wave Trader method spelled it out the moment we took a trade, with precise targets to the upside. So what price will do next is very important. We're protecting our profits with stop at 1960. Flawless point of entry 1958.50. Currently at 1962.50. And that remains very crucial. Only 10% chance price will blast through reversal zone, and that's essential to recognize, especially when our guiding light hourly chart dancing at reversal zone. Clear? We stayed out of worthless chop, and we took a trade as soon as opportunity presented itself. In day trading, execution is everything. Fibonacci levels will never fail you. Doesn't matter if you trade monthly, doesn't matter if you trade very short, non-time based chart. As I completely expected price to struggle at reversal zone. Exact same struggle as you're witnessing on monthly. And that's the importance of knowing where reversal zone is. Doesn't matter if you're an investor, you should have been out of the markets since November 2014. When price comes to reversal zone, you exit your trade. You do not buy into reversal zone, as shown very clearly this Monday open on S&P. 3 points on S&P, 1 lot, $150. 10 lots, $1,500. 20 lots, $3,000. What you trade is up to you. You want to trade Apple monthly using the same formula? This is applicable to your psychology. This is applicable to your account size. Why not? Price is the same everywhere. Price is struggling at reversal zone on very small non-time based chart on S&P as expected. Next level 1964.50. Will S&P give us very big gift this morning and blast through this level? That would be magical. Price S&P is collapsing? Absolutely not. That's exactly the reason I named this level reversal zone. Expect reversal. We knew extremely clearly to expect buying power. Price told us so. But guess what? At any moment we can see complete collapse. This is very aggressive place to buy S&P, but shorting was not an option. Exact same thing you're witnessing playing out on hourly. Exact same thing playing out on non-time based chart on S&P. Playing out on S&P monthly. Not an option to short into decision point 2 on monthly, correct? Not an option to short into decision point 2 on hourly. This is your guiding light for day trading. You want to use Apple monthly? Don't forget what happened on monthly. I was at hedge fund conference where I was dying hearing how much hedge funds loaded up on Apple at 130. You have to be really silly to do that. Collapse on Apple is not over. Are you witnessing the importance of decision point 2? All the same formula. We'll take a look later on what's happening on Apple if you like. Buyers stepped in from decision point 2 on Apple monthly, on S&P hourly, on S&P monthly. Shorting near this level is not an option. One tick to our trail, correct? At any moment, expect to be out at this trade. And that's the magic of the price. And that's what I will be teaching in our education course today at 12:45 EST. Reversal zone in a play? Will price completely collapse through our trail? We're completely expecting that. As I said to you, only 10% chance of price blasting through this level. We are out. Happy Monday, everybody. Each and every time I see the price, I still get a very, very powerful reminder. Nothing in this world is random, not even price. Price is perfect. All you have to know is know the rules. All you have to know is where reversal zone is. Doesn't matter if you trade ETFs. Doesn't matter if you trade stocks, options, whatever you trade. You must know Fibonacci levels and reversal zones. So here is the dance on S&P. Complete fluff. Very dangerous reversal zone dance. As I warned you, sellers will be stepping in at any moment. What would you like to see on S&P? The response at lowest levels possible. Rules are met. Will be all over the S&P again, and the trade will remain aggressive because acquiring long position at reversal zone remains aggressive. But this is a very dangerous corrective dance we're witnessing on hourly chart this morning. Shorting near this level is not an option. Let's update the results. So ladies and gentlemen, let's document the results on this trade. Trade number 20. 17 trades positive, correct? Clear? On this trade we use decision point 2 as our first target. Every single chart has different target, different stop. I have about 15 charts open. You witnessed after decision point 2, 2 points later we moved our stop outside of break-even and went for reversal zone. You know the rules, you trade with the rules, with the trend. Decision point 2 is a crucial target. We will dissect this trade in a detail in education room at 12:45. You only need 4 rules and Fibonacci levels on hourly chart. You only need 1 trade per day. You don't even need 1 trade per day. You need 1, 2, 3 trades per week. What you need is quality, what you need is rules. If you don't recognize that success in trading comes from as few trades as possible, only add lot size. And that's the power of trading, not the number of trades. Fewer trades, increase the lot size. That's where success comes from, as long as you know what you're doing. Every time I take a counter trend trade, I will warn you. Pay attention to decision point 1. Decision point 1 target can be 2 points, 3 points, 5 points, all spelled out by price and Fibonacci. Drastically different trade and S&P stuck at the end of the minor trend. Shocker! Not. We remain in reversal zone, very aggressive play. I warned you, buyers are extremely tired and sellers are weak. Very aggressive dance. So will S&P finally blast through this level? You have many options. Option number 1, not to trade, not to acquire position at reversal zone. Option number 2, respect this as your target. Option number 3, take a break until price will get out of this dangerous dance at reversal zone. Sellers not picking up this steam. Buyers remain in charge. But buyers are very, very tired, as you witness what happens at reversal zone for the last 8 hours. At any moment, sellers will continue stepping in. And this is where price is dancing currently, at the end of the minor trend. As expected. So is everybody clear where we are stuck in this markets and potential will be stuck the entire Monday? We need to expect selling pressure from decision point 1. I warned you. There is nothing else I can do in this market. This is what S&P is giving me. Drastically different trade than the first one. Price is telling you everything you need to know. Will sellers pick up this steam as long as we are out of this area? We can't short here. Price is telling us sellers are drastically weaker than buyers. Until sellers will give me powerful confirmation, we're not touching selling pressure. Buyers will continue to be choppy until sell-off will pick up this steam. And this is the importance and precision of Alpha Wave Trader method and Alpha Wave Trader targets. Clear? 1.5 on S&P. Let's update the results. Drastically different trade. As expected, respect decision point 1. Trade number 21. This trade I said respect decision point 1. 1.5 points. The same thing as on Apple Weekly, the same thing as on any instrument you trade. Always and forever, the most important level in your personal trading. Know when to separate this as your key target. Ultimate war zone at the end of the minor trend. S&P is blasting through. Next target 1961.75. As you see, I left the stop in the same place. Correct? Watch out for the fill in this area. As I warned you, absolutely no short trades anywhere. Price telling you everything you need to know. One more tick, you can do it, thank you. How did I know? This will be the focus of the next boot camp. The power of the trend. That will be the key. Exhale is my new strategy, strategy number 23. Every new strategy I develop becomes my favorite. Enjoy the power of the trend. Ladies and gentlemen, adjusting my trail well outside of break even. Decision point 2 in a play in front of you. You are a knowledgeable trader. After this trade, you're walking away from computer. This is the end of your working day. Market been open only 54 minutes. Anybody wants to trade with delayed indicators, or do you want to become master of the price? You become master of the price, you can trade any instrument and any time frame. I am finalizing dates for the next bootcamp. Sooner you start the course, more prepared you are. When we go into a bootcamp, we go into full speed with markets. We're not wasting 1 second for silliness. We're mastering and marching these markets in full speed. I quizzing you every single second. I teach you every single second. Only students are in the bootcamp. So finalizing the dates, roughly looking at November 9th, but I just learned I have to be at the conference on November 9th. So it's going to be sometimes in November, early December. Sooner you start the course, more prepared you are. Here we go. Decision point 2 is reached. As you're witnessing on this trade, drastically different target. Shocker. How many points on this trade? 2.5. Decision point 2. If you got out at decision point 1, you are in a lot less pain. Correct? 2 trades this morning. Let's update decision point 2. 16. Out of 21 trades, 18 positive. Ladies and gentlemen, will the second trade slide to reversal zone? You witness the importance of proper stop placement, correct? That would be such a lovely surprise. After ultimate torture, I spelled out. My bias remains firmly bullish. Buyers are extremely tired. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Respect this as very important target. Pay attention to what happens next. Shocker. Price is struggling. Will it stage complete reversal as on the previous trade? As on hourly chart? Or will it blast to the next reversal level? I warned you, very aggressive trade, a very dangerous dance. I warned you, sellers are drastically weaker than buyers. I warned you, it's only bearish correction, showtime. This is very important hourly level that correlates with our flawless chart. Happy Monday, everybody. Let's trail this trade very carefully. Trail right outside of reversal zone. Here we are, 6 points later. Ultimate torture at the end of the minor trend, forever and ever and ever, and finally price blasting through. Clear? Very long and very painful trade, lasting about 40 minutes. 40-minute trade. Conservative trades last anywhere between 2 seconds to 2 minutes. When you trade aggressively, this is completely expected. Very tired buyers finally blasted through. Here we are, 9 points later. Is that clear? This trade migrates into larger time frames. Are you ready? This trade blasting through reversal zone. Adjust your trail very closely. This is hourly. Reversal zone 3. I would like to be out of this trade so I can take a break, frankly. Finally, 9 points later, we are out of this trade. So this is what serious trading all about. You know the rules. You become Puma. You enjoy the ride. Let's document the result. This trade made it to decision point 3 and further. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. 21 trades, 18 positive. The importance of trailing carefully. The importance of respecting decision point 1, painless, hit instantly. Price struggled at decision point 1 for about what? Half an hour. I warned you, you want painless trade? Get out. I didn't move the stop outside of break even. Stayed until decision point 2. Finally. And price blasted through 40 minutes later to reversal zone. 30 minutes later, price remains stuck at reversal zone 3 on hourly chart. And that's the perfection of Fibonacci and price. No support and resistance in the markets are random. Every support and resistance formed by Fibonacci levels. You witness the dance at reversal zone 2. You witness the dance at reversal zone 3 that started at reversal zone 1. If you're buying as low as possible with the space to the next level. You never ever entering into Fibonacci resistance level. And that's the focus of the class. We start from scratch at 12:45 EST.